Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the TV room. If you have most any Commodore computer, except perhaps for the Amiga, and you just want to do a cool little program to print your name, and you've got the machine sitting there, it says Commodore Basic, however many bytes free, whether it's a VIC-20, a 64, or 128, a Commodore 16, a +4, a PET of a varying things, this same thing would do it. Just simply type in the number 1 and the number 0, and then type in print, P-R-I-N-T, and then put in a quote, a double quote thing, not an apostrophe, a double quote thing, and then put in your name. And say your name is Butterfield. You would put in B-U-T-T-E-R-F-I-E-L-D, and then you put another quote, and then you would hit return. And then, assuming it didn't come up with any errors, because you did something wrong, and if you did something wrong and it comes up with an error, listen to this again. 10, print, quote, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-I-E-L-D, quote, and hit return. If nothing comes up, then type in run. And indeed, on the screen, just below where you typed in run, it will print Butterfield. And there you have written your first little program. Maybe we'll expand on that the next time we meet. Bye for now.